everybody? Welcome back to Joco Outdoors. I want to thank you guys for being here. Hey, this is a special video for us today, okay? We've been talking to you guys over the last, few months, probably since around Thanksgiving or so, about us launching a website. We have officially launched the website.
Yay!
It's JocoOutdoors.com. Okay,
yeah, very easy.
Go check it out, JocoOutdoors.com. We've got some shirts on there. We've got some mugs. We've got some cell phone cases. This shirt right here, the shirt that Ken and I are wearing, is actually one of the shirts, one of the designs that you'll see on there. It comes in different colors and everything. So you guys go on there and check it out. Matter of fact, what we're going to do is the first 25 purchases
at $50 or more
will get free shipping.
Yep.
Okay, so free shipping, $50 or more, first 25 purchases. All you have to do is go, and we're going to leave it right here. Look right here at this screen. JoCo25 is the coupon code that you're going to put in. Again, JoCo25.
Yep.
That gets you free shipping, $50 or more. So just go check it out. Make some purchases. We appreciate you guys. We've got all different kind of designs on there. We got some fishing designs, some hunting designs, some barbecue designs. We got another barbecue shirt that I think is pretty cool.
Yeah. More coming. We're going to be updating the website periodically.
Absolutely.
More things, and we're also going to be, as we get into different seasons, we're going to have special shirts for those particular times.
Right.
And
we're also going to we're going to have a story page on there where, maybe once every couple of weeks, at least once a month, we're going to have a story on there with a, picture or so to go along with it. Ken's going to write a story about the big buck that he shot 2 seasons ago, and he's just going to tell the story about that. So it'll be an interesting story. So you guys, keep an eye on that. So go check it out. Also, we want to let you know too that if you go look in the video up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see our video for the latest video that we've done on the New View hunting camo suit. Okay, we want to let you guys know, if you click in the link on the description for that video, if you click on that link and you go to their website and you type in Joco Outdoors 20, Joco Outdoors 20, you get 20% off your purchase.
Yep.
Okay, so you want that? Look, that can be a big discount. That's
it started relatively inexpensive as it is,
right.
So it's a really good deal.
But it can save you anywhere from $12 to $20 depending on which suit you get. So so go check that out. Also, I know hunting season. We just got out of hunting season, but guess what? Hunting season's going to come fast. Okay, we're going to need scent lure. Go check out Raw Frozen Scent. Whenever you go check out Raw Frozen Scent, put in coupon code Joco Outdoors, and you get 10% off.
Yep.
Okay? Joco Outdoors, 10% off, Raw Frozen Scent. Check out the video in the upper right-hand corner for that one. The link will be in the description. Hey, look, it's frozen. You can buy it now. Throw it in your freezer. It'll still be just as fresh whenever season kicks around.
And don't worry about it. Your wife won't have to worry about it because it won't smell.
Right. Mine's been in my freezer since last season.
That's one thing my wife was all like, this is going to stink up the freezer. No, it doesn't. It's frozen. So
y'all go check those out. We thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a big thumbs up.
Ring your notification bell.
Right. Leave a comment below. We'll also have links below for the website and both of these Raw Frozen Scent and New View Hunting. So y'all go click on those.
We also want to just thank you guys for even watching this video and anything you do for our channel. We want to thank you right now for that, because without you guys we wouldn't be a channel.
Right.
We really need your support. The more you support us, the more we can do.
Absolutely.
Because that's what we're all about. But we're also all about God.
Right.
And we know that without God we couldn't do anything. That's what the Bible tells us, that nothing can be done without God.
Right. Jesus said, apart from Him, we can do nothing.
That's right. There's nothing that can be done. We have to put our soul lives in His hands.
Right.
And that's one thing that me and Brian, I hope we're impressing that upon you, that you need to put your hands, your life, your mind, your heart into the Lord.
And because we have such an appreciation for God, because we have such a big love for God, You know, we try to share that love with you guys to show you guys that we love you guys, and we thank you for, you know, watching these videos and supporting these videos. You know, sharing these videos with all your friends and family. You know, continue to do that stuff.
And I want to thank you one more time.
Yeah. We thank you for everything.
Everything.
We love you guys, and y'all remember, this is God's country.
God bless y'all. Love y'all. See you on the next one.